welcome back to Hampton Your House. My name is Belle and my channel is all about bringing the Coastal Hamptons vibe to your house. So if that sounds like something you're interested in and you haven't subscribed yet, all you have to do is hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell and you won't miss anything new. Today we're going to be looking at Coastal Hamptons decor for your Christmas table, although with a few small changes this look would work for any occasion. As I did with my Christmas tree, I've decided to go with coastal colours and textures and a simple, elegant design. Let's get to work! Start with a tablecloth or table runner. I decided to go with this chambray linen tablecloth as a bit of a statement colour. Then grab some leafy greenery from your garden and arrange it down the middle of your table. I recommend lightly spraying it with bug spray and then leaving it outside for half an hour or so before you put it on your table, just to get rid of any little creepy crawlies. Next, for a fresh look, get a few limes and arrange them on your greenery. Now grab some little white flowers and thread them into your greenery, which gives it a bit of a whimsical look. You can just use whatever flowers you have in your garden, or ask a neighbour, or you could even use some small fake flowers. Next we need candles. I like bright white candles, they just look so crisp, and you can always use fake candles or battery powered fairy lights instead if you're going to have lots of young children at the table. These gold salt and pepper grinders add a nice little bit of bling, and these beautiful round water hyacinth placemats from Target add the natural fibre element. I'll link everything for you in the description box below. This rattan glass carafe and blue glass bottles add a lovely touch, as do these gorgeous modern wine glasses that I picked up from Aldi for a bargain. The plates I'm using here are our normal everyday plates. They're white on the top and turquoise on the bottom, and the cutlery is also our everyday cutlery. I'm using paper serviettes. I'm not big on the idea of washing cloth napkins, so here's a really elegant way you can fold the serviettes. With your square folded serviette, split the layers and one by one, fold them up towards the opposite corner, but fold it up about 1 centimetre short of the top, then fold the next one 1 centimetre short of the previous one, and so on until you've done all the layers. Next, turn it over and fold the side wing bits up like this, and you will end up with a diamond shape. Turn it back over and you're done. It's a bit hard to see, but you end up with this lovely sort of Art Deco effect. And as a finishing touch, I'm using these beautiful silver bonbons. And our Coastal Hamptons Christmas tablescape is done. I'm so happy with the overall look of the way my Christmas table turned out. I had a lot of fun setting this up and combining glass, metal, natural fibres and greenery and creating a relaxed, elegant look. I had a few more things I was going to add, but there's something to be said for just keeping it simple. Leave a comment below and let me know what you liked about this tablescape. Well, I hope you've got some inspiration from this video and that you have fun decorating your own table. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Hampton Your House for more DIYs, tips and tricks, and I'll see you again very soon in the next one.
Bye.